It's Sam here with another video. Just wanted to do a quick update video. I've kind of haven't shown anything in a little bit to YouTube. Just wanted to post this one on YouTube. Show where I'm at. But took me. I started this project at the end of November. That's when I took the motor out, the 13B motor out of this car, and I started with the project. After I took I think when I took the motor out, I had already received the subframe, so pretty much quickly I threw the 20B in there, and then started doing the manifold. That was the first thing I pretty much focused on after getting the block in. That took about a month, 2 months to get that manifold situated. Well, probably almost two or 3 months. I mean, the car always stood in my garage, so I would just take the manifold, kind of tacked it, and then I would take it to the fabricator, and he would work with what he had instead of taking the car. So it was a little more difficult doing it like that, but it came out. The end result was pretty nice. I mean, the only problem with the turbo, the way it is, it sits really forward, so it's kind of hard to get a filter on there. I'm probably gonna just put a turbo guard on there. But that's not a big deal. Later on, I do want to go. I would like to try to go V-mount with this car, just because I want to try to put the AC and power steering back in. But for now, I'm just trying to get the car running. Just trying to, see if I can see the road with this car. It's been about 11 months with the project. So, but the engine, I did the engine. I ported the plates myself. I removed the sleeves, and then also ported the exhaust housings, cleaned everything up, and then I had a friend help me put this thing together, put the block together. I did all the wiring myself. All the connectors, like for the coils and the injectors, those all have they were all brand new pin connections and brand new connectors that I bought. I pretty much had to buy them like twice because I bought them once and then I was pinning them wrong. So, and then this connector here is the worst to me. I think I bought this one 3 times and I was not able to get it to work. I ended up using the factory 20B harness, and I still had to depin it because the way it comes factory, it's not wired right. So when I went to start the car the first time, it was not getting a trigger. So I had to depin it and then pin it back in, and then I just crimped here, so you got a trigger. I guess, I don't know, one is trigger and one is I know 2 of them are ground. But I'm gonna see if I replace this one with the gray connector, like a 4-pin connector. Let's see if I get that done. Right now I'm just trying to mess with the idle. I had it idling with the throttle cable, but I got one here for the idle. This one opens the secondaries, and then there's one on the bottom, which really, to move it, you almost have to take the intake off, so to adjust that one. But it's coming along. Also, the pulley, basically to put it in timing, I used the 20B pulley, and I put the, I was messing with the timing light yesterday, Just trying to get this thing in timing. I'm not exactly sure if I'm doing it correct, but I'm basically, I set it to where I did the leading number one rotor, and then I just pretty much I set the ignition to where it's right at the first mark. So, and it seems to be cleaning out. Not cleaning out. I'm not revving it real high, but it seems to be cleaning out decent. So, but yeah, so we got, like I've said in the past, 1000cc Bosch injectors. I got the full function rail on the bottom, and 2200cc injectors up top. Stock FD coils. Just 6 of those bad boys. This right here, I want to fix this one. I'm gonna try to take this -6. I just got a -6 going in, -6 coming out, going to the regulator there. But this, I got a little connection here. I don't like the way this is. I'm gonna redo this and try to just go straight to the fuel line back there. I got an FD oil pressure regulator, mechanical. I want to see if I upgrade and maybe do like fuel pressure sensor, for there, so the computer can read the fuel pressure, and do oil pressure sensor. I might get the block, or I might just T off of that. That way I can have both. So my stock gauge will work, and I can have another sensor to the computer. But I gotta get a wideband. No wideband in this car yet. Interested to see how this turbo is gonna do. Pretty sure it's gonna be pretty laggy, but we'll see. Let me start it up for you guys, that way you guys can hear it. I know I haven't shared nothing with YouTube in a while, so let me at least get this thing fired up for you guys. Make some noise early in the morning. I'm not sure. Hopefully it'll start. Not sure where it's gonna idle at. There goes the LT16. Still gotta clean up those wires. Gonna have to lower that idle. It's idling like a Bridgeport. Smoke myself out over here. Yeah, I gotta adjust that idle. It's too high. Bunch of smoke everywhere now. But there's a quick look at the at the build. I got this all done. I'm missing the air sensor. Like the air sensor, where the hell is it? The air sensor I have it's not working. I got the factory 20B Cosmo air sensor, and that one's not reading. So I'm gonna swap that out, and so I gotta put a different, I guess a different style air sensor. But there's a quick look at the project. I got the intercooler piping done. I just haven't connected it. And quick look at everything. It's my heater core hose, precision wastegate 66. I got it right now at 9 or 10 pounds is what I got a spring in there for. So, but can't wait to drive this bad boy. So stay tuned.